screen go completely black, but you can still hear notifications, vibrations, or even calls. That, my friend, is what we call the black screen of death. And today, I'll show you how to fix it. First, why does this happen? The black screen of death can be caused by software glitches, a drained battery, app crashes, overheating, or even hardware damage. But don't worry, there are ways to bring your phone back to life. The first fix is force restarting your phone. This works because it forces the system to reboot, clearing any glitches. For iPhones with Face ID, press volume up, volume down, then hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. For older iPhones, hold Home's power button until the Apple logo appears. For Androids, hold power plus volume down for about 10 to 15 seconds. This method works in most cases. If not, keep watching. Next, plug in your phone and let it charge for at least 10 minutes. If your phone was completely drained, it might take a while to turn on. Also, try shining a flashlight on your screen. If you see a faint image, your display backlight may be damaged. If your screen stays black after a restart, it might be an app causing issues. Try booting into safe mode to disable third-party apps. For Android, hold the power button, then long press power off and select safe mode. For iPhones, if you can restart your device but it crashes after unlocking, you might need to factory reset via iTunes or Finder. If nothing works, a factory reset might be your last resort, but this will erase all data. For Android, use recovery mode, power volume up to select wipe data factory reset. For iPhone, use iTunes Finder in recovery mode to restore your device. Still no luck? If your phone doesn't respond at all, you may have hardware damage. In that case, visit a repair shop. Before that, try connecting to a computer. Sometimes you can recover data even if the screen stays black. That's it for today. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what worked for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.